Want to do a fire? Have a breakfast? Please enter right here. Please subscribe to my channel. Please turn the bell. Please turn the bell on for notifications when the videos come out. Alright. This is how much we got lag in the second. But now. Don't laugh at me. Not my fault I had to do this. Now you got me laughing at myself. Okay. Oh, looks like that. There we go. Just like that. Just like that. Oh, back here. Just like that. Then we have these pieces. Put on just like this. Do this. Like that. No, we don't. Not yet. Then we place this piece right here like that. Then we place. Why do we place this piece right here? It's gonna fall off. That's so. Oh, no, this piece goes right here. Yeah. This piece is supposed to go right here. My bad. Reason why is because this piece is supposed to go. This piece is supposed to go here. And I'm gonna put his Aaron hat in there. Not yet. Now watch this. There. Then we're gonna place this battery right there, that in the middle. Then but okay guys, can you okay, whatever. One goes like there. One goes like there, okay. It's weird. Right there. I'm not happy with them, but I have to deal with it. This is not my house. This is their house. And they get to make the rules, and I may not do this sometimes. Anyway, move on to the next step. This step is kind of hard right here. Okay. So these pieces, I know, in this way, so. Oh yeah, it goes like that. Oh, we gotta do two things. Boom. And boom. We gotta do those. Give me, I catch myself. Ooh, coming for that's cool. That's cool. Please do. Let's see if it's like that. Okay, there we go. Now, for number two. Oh, number two sticker.